Welcome! If you're watching Instagram Reels on your computer and want to enjoy the full experience with sound, you might have noticed things look a little different after the latest update. Today, I'll show you exactly how to unmute a Reel on the Instagram app for PC, step by step. First, make sure you have the Instagram app open on your PC. If you haven't already, log into your account so you can access all your favorite content. Next, browse your feed or use the search function to find the reel you want to watch. You can scroll through the Reels section or search for a specific creator, whatever works best for you. Once you've found the reel, hover your mouse over the video. In the latest update, Instagram places the audio controls right on the video itself. Look for the small speaker icon. This is usually located in one of the corners of the reel. If the reel is muted, you'll see a line through the speaker icon. To unmute, simply click on the unmute icon. Instantly, the sound will play, and the icon will change to show the speaker without a line. Now you can enjoy the audio just as the creator intended. If you want to mute the reel again, just click the same icon once more. It's a quick way to control your viewing experience, especially if you're in a quiet environment or want to watch multiple reels back to back. Remember, with each new Instagram update, the interface might change slightly, but the core steps remain the same. Open the app, find your reel, and use the speaker icon to toggle the sound. That's all it takes to unmute a reel on Instagram using the PC app. Now you're ready to dive back into your favorite reels with sound on.